Hi, my name is Dan Purgett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at the Nautique 210 Super Air. This boat just came in. It's on a double axle trailer. As you can see here on the swim platform, it's all SeaDek flooring, which is non-slip. And like the swim deck, it's all throughout the entire floor of the boat. It's great if it gets wet. You don't have to worry about trying to dry it off or vacuum it up. Here in the bow, you'll see the JL audio sound system, a couple speakers. You got 4 cup holders here in the bow. You also have a non-slip loading spot for people to stand, as well as cup holders back here as well. Then we move to the back here. You got a fully wraparound seat. In this spot here, there's an extra cushion that goes there, which turns it into a full, again, wraparound seat. These pieces here are removable, so if you want to have more area to sit. However, most people enjoy watching the show sitting aft, so they're able to see everything. Again, JL audio sound system, cup holders. This gorgeous boat has it all. Here in the glove box, it's a nice water resistant area where you can put your cell phones and such. You got a JL audio radio, which is all Bluetooth capable, and all of your charging ports. So keys, cell phones, wallets, etc. Here at the helm, you got an optional flip up bolster in the seat to see over people who are sitting in front of you. You also have a fully 12-inch touchscreen, which controls everything in the boat. Cell phone holder. Again, another JL audio speaker underneath. This boat seats 12 people, up to 3 people in the bow, unless you have more smaller kids up there. Back here we have the tower, which is easy to take down with just 2 turns on either side of the tower. And you got 8 speakers with lights underneath shining down onto the cockpit area. Go. Again, my name's Dan Purgett, sales consultant with MarineMax here in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this boat or one of our other many boats here in stock. See you soon.